Hey, so if reminders are not working in Google Keep, yeah, like you're not getting notifications, alerts are missing, or reminders don't trigger, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, uh, make sure your internet is working properly. I mean, Google. Keep needs a connection to sync reminders across devices. Next, yeah, go to your phone settings and make sure notifications are enabled for Google Keep. I mean, if notifications are off, reminders won't show at all. Now, open your note and make sure the reminder is actually set with the correct time and date. I mean, wrong timing is a common issue. Yeah, battery saver mode can block background alerts. Turn it off to allow reminders to work properly. Now, make sure Google Keep is allowed to run in the background. I mean, restricted background activity can stop reminders. Yeah, sync issues can delay or block reminders. Make sure sync is turned on in your Google account settings. Now, an outdated app can break reminder notifications. Update Google Keep to the latest version. Yeah, corrupted cache can stop reminders from working properly. Clearing cache or restarting the app can fix it. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Google Keep. I mean, this resets all notification and sync settings. So, yeah, that's how you fix Google Keep Reminder, not working issues. Most of the time, it's notification, sync, or battery settings. Try these steps and your reminders should work again. Thanks for watching.